Hello, darling. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to see you today. Thank you so much for coming by. So today we're going to take things a little under the sea, little mermaidy, little vibes of the mermaid, if you will. I'm going to go ahead and mix some of these pigments into this beautiful builder gel. I really am a fan of it. It's not hot. I never feel heat from it at all. And it's super strong. I never have broken nails. So really good stuff. It's Morovan, by the way. Morovan. Morovan. So what we're doing now is adding some blue and green together and mixing it into a nice little teal. The other one's just going to have plain blue. And then we're going to mix the third one as purple. And those are going to be our mermaid inspired colors for today. Then after I get these mixed, we will get everything else set up. I've already prepped my nails. I've already put down a base of Ideal Pink Builder by Light Elegance. And I did fills on the two nails that I'm not building today. I thought recently maybe I should do a fills video, so I will consider like doing a full set of just like pink builder gel nails, and then on purpose so that I can do a fills video later on down the road. I just have to decide exactly what I want to do. So now I'm coming in and I am just taking those colored gels that we mixed and putting them down on the base that we already have created here. And of course, like I said, I've got that pink base down, but I've also put just a plain clear base down so that we have a very thin layer to work on. And it is extremely thin. That's why I didn't go ahead and take the form off. And also I didn't take them off because these are sort of jellies, right? The color is clear. So I would definitely consider these a jelly nail. Now in those colors, what we're doing is just taking these round glitters, they're rather large, kind of chunky, and pressing that in to mimic the look of the scales that your mermaid would have. Now, one thing I will say is that some of them are clear, and so it gives more of a negative space situation. And I'm not sure if, I mean, I like the look of having the green pink shift being scattered across the nail. It actually is a really pretty effect. But I'm wondering if maybe I should try just as a test to see if I'd like it better if they were all that color. So I'm not actually sure if I like the clear ones being on the nail. So I may do a test later on down the road and see how I like it. Because there's lots of big chunky glitters like that we could experiment with for different reasons. So now we're just doing some encapsulation. And I decided to show it because look at how pretty that glitter is. Okay. It's almost like getting double top coat for your money. And then once we get that gel built down the nail, we're just going to double check, make sure everything's pretty the way we like it. And then we're going to pop it into the old Lamparoonie and give it a little cure or a nuke, if you will. Giving a little shout out to our girl, Susie, over at Nail Career Education. I love it when she says nuke things. I think it's so cute. And I did go ahead and show a second nail real quick just because, like I said, I think it looks real pretty. And it's almost like getting that second or an extra top coat shot, right? Look at how pretty that green is. And when you see, I'll tell you in a minute. Now, of course, I am going to go ahead. Oh, here it is. Guys, I thought I had pressed record. I looked up at the camera to see if I'm in frame, and it's not even turned on. So I'm like, wow, that was great. So I did polish those off camera, and I'm sorry. But look at how well the green and the glitter matches the green of the polish, which is Beetles, by the way, and I did show you the number there in a minute, but we will have it in the comment or in the description. not the comment section. So now these gems are some new gems I got to the channel for the channel. I ordered them on Amazon. Oh, excuse me, I'm getting a little tickle in my throat. Let me have a drink here. Sorry. So I ordered them on Amazon and they're green, blue, pink, and white. And they don't have any other colors by this on this brand's store. I don't know, honestly, I don't know if the gems are by this brand or if that's just the name of the store, but it is linked, not linked, it is listed in the description, but it's Doader, Daoder, I guess. They're pretty, guys. They're super sparkly for not being actual Swarovskis and being pretty inexpensive for what you're getting. I'm not unhappy. The one thing, I'm just cleaning off the top to make sure I don't have any gel on there before I cure it, because you don't want to have gel on your gems. You know that'll make them ugly. But if they had more colors, I would totally order more. And the one thing I would wish for is that they had put more of the really large size in there. There's only a few of each color in the large, and that's disappointing. I would like more. But other than that, they're so pretty, and the colors they're light, but kind of milky almost. I don't know, they're delicious. Delicious. I changed my mind about the size, and I went in with a smaller size, as you can tell, as you can see there. And I'm doing a very similar look to what's on the ring finger. I'm just extending it a little longer. And you'll see. You'll see. Now we're going to put a tiny bead right there and then mimic the same look but reversed, going the rest of the way down, a little bit smaller. I did try to put the same size, but I realized pretty quickly it wasn't flush on the nail because of the curve of the nail, of course. And so I decided I would put the smaller one because I'd have a better chance of keeping it, right? Because as you probably know, if you're a friend to the channel, Mama not that great at keeping the gems on. I'm trying though, and so far they're still on. And I've only lost one on my other hand, and it's been like a week. So I'm really, really happy about that. So now we're coming in with some top coats. And as per usual, this is the Light Elegance Super Shiny, because A, it is super shiny and it does not lose that shine. And B, it doesn't stain or crack or chip or scratch. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Now it is a hard gel, so you cannot soak it off. And if you absolutely have to have a soak off, this is not the top coat for you. And I am curing that right away because I just don't want, while I'm moving my hand around, any of the gel to seep up on my gems. So the gemmed fingers just got cured immediately after being top coated. And I just figured also that lets me save the 3 glitter nails for last, because I mean, that's what you're still here for, right? To see that glitter pop, the glitter shine. It is real pretty. I'm not going to lie. It's gorgeous. So we are going to finish this up and pop that bad boy in the lamp. And then back out we are. Look at how that green pops with the polish. I didn't even realize it was going to be such a perfect match, but the tealiness of it is very good. And it definitely gives me those mermaid under the sea kind of vibes. I can't get enough of this set. I love it. I find myself just gazing at my nails. Do you ever have a set that does that to you? I mean, oftentimes I do that, but this one is definitely going to go in the Hall of Fame of favorites, right? I absolutely love this set. Now, of course, after we get these into the lamp and fully cured. And I do like to double cure at the end because I just feel like it gives you even more shine in the nails. I think the top coat really benefits from a super long cure at the end, and it just really hardens it into that gorgeous shine. But then we are going to wipe off the sticky layer because this is not a no wipe top coat. Like I said, it's a hard gel, so it does have a sticky layer. So we're going to wipe that off, grab that oil, rub it in to protect my skin and cuticles. And there you go, guys. That's the finished set. Oh my goodness, I love them. You've got to let me know in the comment section how you feel about them because I just cannot get enough. I just think they're so pretty. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.